So we have to be considerate of their feelings. No,
Gusto mo rin mag-explore ng other product portfolio.
I don't want na maging branding ko is luxury bags din.
Kasi nasa department store na ako eh. And then, of course, I've been receiving offers na you can also enter us like via consignment, like itong mga several...
What kind of offers?
Maglagay din ng Trilueva doon sa lifestyle store nila. So, when is the best time to say wag or pwede naman kasi consignment yan. So, as long as wala naman akong binabayarang renta, okay lang because it's brand awareness either way. Or i-limit mo na lang
siya. Sino bang
siya.
nag-ano sa'yo na mag-consign ka dito, mag-ganon?
So, we've been receiving offers via Instagram din kasi sa mga iba't ibang lifestyle concept stores.
Okay.
If you're familiar, let's say, Power Plant Mall.
Okay.
So, in Greenbelt as well. So, parang for me, I don't want na ma-overwhelm naman ako na ang dami kong sinusuplayan. But at the same time, my question sa akin is, sayang kung sa iba mapupunta na ako yung unang tinap. So, saan ba dapat?
Honestly, ito. Department stores are overrated. I would say. Why they're reaching out to you is because they're losing merchants.
Okay.
So when we say they're losing merchants, is a lot of people are pivoting to online na kasi. I think if you were to ask me, you would focus more online.
Okay.
Yung 20% na binibigay mo doon sa mga merchants or like department store, ilagay mo na lang sa budget mo for ads.
Okay.
Diba? Ito kasi, I've heard horror stories about department stores. I'm not gonna say kung anong company na lang. In general, department stores. Pag pumutok kasi yan, yung brand mo, or yung style, take note that department stores are not selling your brand. They're selling the shoe. Meaning, if pumutok man yung shoe mo na yan, nakita nila na biglang this in demand, they won't tell you to give us more stocks. They'll cut you off. They'll source it out themselves. And slap their brands doon. May ganun.
Okay.
Diba? So you have to take note of that. You want, if this is the local thing and this is the branding thing, you want to invest more in your branding.
Okay.
So I would suggest, actually, to keep your shoes where they are right now. Pero, don't make the mistake na you think that that's brand awareness na maraming, it's not brand awareness. Kasi unang-una, hindi mo naman nakikita yung mga nagbebenta eh. Binibenta ba nila yung brand mo? Or binibenta lang nila, ay, ito gusto mo nude shoes, ito po oh. Ito pasok sa budget. Yun lang naman eh.
Yeah.
But you want people to say about the story, about the shoe. So this shoe is actually, picked talaga siya ng design nito by our CEO na ito yung gusto niya kasi dati nung bata siya, ganito yung naisip niyang design of shoe. And then it also says a lot of things about nung sa nagko-corporate siya. At the same time, pupunta siya ng mga casual na mga lakad niya. Ito rin yung ginagamit niya. So for all attires siya, kaya ito yung bestseller namin. So that's different. They're selling the brand. When it comes, they're selling you.
Okay.
Parang ganun. With department stores kasi, there's no marketing there. There's just exposure of yung mga shoes mo and shoe design sa stores.
Yeah.
Pero it's not really about branding.
Okay.
So, wala ka makikita nag-scale ako or pumutok talaga yung company ko or yung product ko kasi sa lahat ng department store naglagay ako.
Okay.
No. May pumutok na brand ako kasi gumawa ako ng website, inads ko siya all throughout this and I made content about it. Of course, content creation is there. This is the best time to do content creation, especially here in the Philippines. It's very new that people incorporate content creation with their businesses. So you can actually share to your audience, to your consumers, the story behind every shoe. The step-by-step how you pick the design, the color, you packed it yourself, nagpapack ka ng mga orders nila. Guys, ito na, maraming salamat. We're already packing. Pipick upin na to ng mga maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. They buy you. They know that personally, every order that comes out of your warehouse is touched by you personally. Clear. So that's a big thing about consumers. So yun yung hinahanap ng mga tao ngayon. Wala na tayo sa era ng highly commercialized marketing eh. Wala na tayo sa era na gagawa ka ng mga videos na ang ganda ng editing, na umiikot pa, na sumasabog.
Raw na ngayon eh.
Very raw.
Okay.
People look for authenticity. People know bullshit when they see one na. Alam na nila, binibentahan lang ako nito. So, you capitalize, I think, best is create your own website and then run ads, collab with people, get that branding out. However, it will require a lot of time.
Correct.
Which is
challenging, di ba?
Yeah.
So, I think yung sunod naman is, since Trilueva is my name nga, no, parang I've been doing footwear for the past 10 years na. And kumbaga, gusto mo rin mag-explore ng other product portfolio. So, kailan naman dapat yun? Na i-explore mo naman yung...
What do you mean other product portfolio?
Like, we can do bags or clothing or jewelries or accessories naman. Or, tumawid ka naman sa ibang category like the kids section, the men's section.
Well, kids section and men's section, honestly, if I were you, I would stick to it.
Okay.
Yeah. The more that you want to do, the more na magiging makalat yung brand mo.
Correct.
Yeah. Like Celine brand. Do they have men's?
They don't.
Wala
But they
ata.
have bags, I think.
Meron silang
Yeah.
bag. But before
Pero
that...
Parisian kasi, lahat eh.
Yeah.
So, may footwear siya, may bags. Ay, yun, diba?
It depends on what you're passionate about. It always goes down to what you're passionate about. I think you're tapping the same market naman. Shoes man yan, bags man yan. But you will instill more branding to people when you're only doing one thing.
Okay.
If you're doing a lot of things, they don't know. Pag sinabi nila yung brand mo, ano ba to? Mag-i-instill sa kanila. Supplier ba to? Or creator ba to ng mga shoes or bags? Katulad ko, pag sinabing Paring Hype, alam na nila relo yan.
Correct.
Some people are telling me, why don't you put luxury bags? I'm planning to, but I'm never gonna use my name. I'll get one like you, siguro, na are very passionate about bags. I'll partner with you. Sabihin natin, Gentry Luxury Bags or something. Kahit iba pa. But it's the same company. Gentry is one company, same company with watches and with the luxury bags. Pero iba yung branding. I don't want na maging branding ko is luxury bags din. Kasi mako-confuse na yung tao.
Correct.
Diba? So, yun yung how brand identity is created talaga. Very laser focus, very niche ka dapat.
You started sa watch, di ba? Hindi, definitely.
Paring Hype and Gentry started sa watches.
Okay.
So, but me personally,
Correct.
throughout my experience with
Correct.
businesses, ang dami na.
Correct.
I started, nakilala ko dati about coffee,
Correct.
nakilala ko
Gadgets pa,
construction,
correct.
gadgets, di ba? Crazy Pedring, mga ganun. So, these are all some, but if you notice, if I start a new branding, different name, different
Correct.
everything. I don't want to be the brand of Jack of all trades. Wala yun. Jack of all trades is master of none. Eh.
Okay.
So you want to be a master of something. But as a person, you have to be Jack of all trades. Kasi you have to be master of none para magamay mo all aspects of the business.
Natanong ko siya kasi yun nga, tumatak pag Paring Hype, luxury watches.
Yes.
Correct. So parang for me, yung Trilueva, saan ba siya tatatak? Kasi nga, nanggaling siya sa serving the market na class B and C. But with the type of business that you have, class A or higher.
Well, I think it comes down to what really is your vision with the
Okay.
company. Now, if your vision is to keep it side hustle, walang face yung company, keep it low.
Okay.
Keep it low. You know why? Nobody remembers something na cheap. Always keep that. What's the last thing you bought na cheap na may brand?
Cheap na may brand.
Yeah.
Like,
Branding siya na alam na natin na cheap siya. Pag sinabi mo yung brand na to, cheap to, alam ko, na murahin lang to. Wala, di ba?
Wala naman.
Ano yung pinaka last thing na you bought na medyo branded talaga siya na luxury?
It's not really luxury, but like, I bought a Longchamp bag.
Oh, di ba?
Yeah.
Bakit mo natandaan yung Longchamp? At hindi mo natandaan last time na nabili mo na
Oo
cheap?
nga, no?
Hindi mo matandaan. Nobody remembers something that's cheap.
Clear.
Diba? Nobody remembers something that's cheap. If you want to put your brand, you have to go middle class or upper class ka lang.
Okay.
Wala ka doon sa cheap.
Okay.
Cheap is platform, department store. Yan, alam. Cheap dyan. Diba?
Kaya pala yung question mo kanina is, mas mura ka ba sa department store?
Yes.
Kasi yun pala yung impression. Parang
Yes.
for me naman, coming from a lower price point, feeling ko yung department store pa yung nag-increase ng price point ko eh. But definitely, it should be the other way around.
You know, when you're confident about your quality,
Mhm.
price is something subjective na.
Wow.
Definitely. Diba? I have a Tudor the same quality as a Rolex, pero Rolexes are higher because of the brand, not because of the materials in it.
Pero
Same-
similar.
Yeah. Same company ang Rolex at saka Tudor. Rolex owns Tudor. So definitely, they have it. I have early 2000s pa na Tudor eh. Ganun naman talaga yung quality niya. Pero, they label this talaga sa branding na ganito lang siya. Sa Rolex, iba. So, subjective ang price.
Correct. Kasi may nakapagsabi sa akin before na syempre, I get to expose myself nga to certain influencers na nagtataka sila, bakit hinahagal mo yung price point mo na merong pambili yung mga tao? You really need to tap these people na talagang afford kahit anong mangyari, nabibili sila. Kahit 3,000 pa yan or 4,000 pa yan.
You'd rather sell something. 500 peso yung product cost. You'd rather sell one for 5,000 pesos than sell 5
Correct.
for 1,000 pesos. The people that buys from you for 5,000 pesos each na meron kang times 10, basically you have a 90% profit margin mo. Sila pa yung magiging advocate mo. So they will tell people about your brand because they're proud of buying something worth 5,000 pesos. Nobody is going to go around telling their friends that they bought something worth 1,000.
Correct.
Ipapakita pa nila. Alam mo, kahit hindi komportable yung sapatos mo, binili nila ng 5,000. Sabi nila, alam mo, ang komportable nito. Para lang may singit nila sa conversation. O talaga, ano ba yan? Triloeva. It's nice.
Pero walang recall, no?
It's a little hard to recall lang.
So, yun yung mga comments na nare-receive ko din na, are you not exploring to parang change
rebrand?
Rebrand?
If you're gonna rebrand, don't change it. Shorten it.
Okay.
Going back, before we drift off. Ito, nabili ko to kay 3. This is a 3 shoes, di ba? Sa 3 yan. Yeah, it's 3. Uy, naka 3 ka ha. Okay. 3 is okay.
Kasi
TRI, di ba?
Laging tinatanong even sa mga previous interviews like sa radio station or saan man na, how do you pronounce ba? Kasi parang ang hirap.
Triloeva, it's a long, it's a mouthful, di ba?
Even sa voice-over, nahihirapan din. So,
3 would be okay na. Kahit 3 lang. Kay 3 ko nabili to. Okay, ang ganda pala niyan. So, 5,000. Grabe, mahal. Yeah, pero it's comfortable. Kahit hindi comfortable. People wanna talk about that shoe. People wanna boast to other people. People wanna be proud. Especially pag, ito, nakita ko kasi ito kay Heart Evangelista, suot niya.
Correct.
Tapos ang usapan.
Kasi hodang magkano pa yan. At hindi man lang siya genuine leather, di ba?
Yes.
To begin with.
Yes. And, in girls, is different from, actually not very different, pero for you to tap on branding din kasi. Like, people don't buy the shoe, they buy you. So, what do they like about you? So, you have to represent something. You have to represent woman empowerment man yan. You have to represent healthy lifestyle. You have to represent beauty with its simplest form. Ganun ba? Hindi ko naman alam kung paano sa mga ladies.
Correct.
Pero these are what people follow. Kunyari, ilalagay mo lagi, share what you do for a day. So, hi guys, I'm here. Before I go to the office, I make sure that I'm, pumunta muna ako, mag-yoga muna ako. Be an inspiration. So, pakita mo na everyday nag-yoga ka. Tapos pakita mo na everyday after mo ng yoga from 6 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. At 8 a.m. you're already in the office. And you get a small breakfast na salad. And yung healthy breakfast ka. After nun, may meeting ka pa na after lunch. Or you have also a lunch na with salmon lang and few vegetables. Tapos after nun, you bond with your family. You would be the dream life of most women. When you do that, people buy your shoes. Because they want who it represents. So bakit ako lagi ngayon nagte-tennis na ako, nagpapaka-fit ako? Ang taba ako before.
Nagulat nga ako.
'Di ba? Pumayat talaga ako, nagpapayat talaga ako. Sabi ko magpapayat tayo, ayusin ko yung sarili ko, ayusin ko yung pananamit ko kasi I already represent people that wants to get a luxury watch, 'di ba? I can't go representing success with very parang puyat na puyat ako. Ako yung puyat na puyat pa nga ako ngayon eh. Hindi natin mawala yun eh kung nagninegosyo tayo, 'di ba? So, pero yung lifestyle, yung how you represent yourself, how you dress, that's something that people want to see and people want to be part of and people want to imitate. 'Di ba? So, kaya sinasabi ko, if you want branding, it's really hard, but you can do it.
Talagang nandun yung confidence and yung willingness talaga to do it eh. Kasi sabi ko, sino bang ibang magre-represent yan? Ako yung una nagtatry ng sapatos bago ko ipa-mass produce. Pero hindi ko vini-video. Yun yung journey. Parang bago ko yan ilabas, I make sure na comfortable siya for me so that alam ko kung paano ko siya ibebenta.
All you have to do is document it.
Yun nga yung sabi mo last time na before, talaga namang ito yung mga transaction mo, ngayon lang, dinodocument mo siya. And then, diba? Parang nag-trending ka.
Tama.
So, yun yung tumatak din sa akin na ginagawa ko to ever since eh. Every time.
You just have to have camera around and that's it. It's not hard. Especially with people that are really hands-on. Kung hands-on ka, wala kang kailangan kasi may magdo-document lang ng ginagawa mo eh.
Oo, ganun
Share mo
na
lang
eh.
na nasa meeting ka, ang sipag naman nito. Grabe, nakaka-inspire to. Nasa meeting na naman siya, tapos may nakuha na naman siyang deal. Ito yung sapatos niya, pakita mo, shoes of the day for us guys. I have the 3 version 3, 3 version 2. It's up to you kung paano mo i-name yun. It's just an example. So, dun makukuha ng tao yung branding.
Kasi yung tagline ng brand is your style, your story. Ang
Yes.
nasa image ko before or nasa utak ko before is I want to tap specific women na inspirational for them to share na ano ba yung story to tell nila through their fashion sense, through their footwear choice. Pero parang sinasabi mo now is dapat ako muna.
Yes. Ikaw muna. Walang branding na walang muka. Dapat may muka. And people have to be inspired. That's the easiest way to brand. When they like you. Kahit ako, meron akong mga iniidolo na mga tao, na mga, to the point na, anong sinusuot nito? Ito yung lagi suot nito eh. Because I just admire their work ethic. I admire how they're thinking. I admire how motivated they are when it comes to working. So, yun pa lang, yung characteristics nila and paano nila buhatin yung sarili nila. Yun yung totoong essence of branding. Especially if own brand.
Okay.
Own name. You put your name, you slap your name on that brand. That has to be you. That has to represent you. Now, what do you represent? Yun yung question.
Ang next question ko, I think,
Go ahead.
is in terms of the price point naman. Kasi if, sabi mo nga kanina, you're gonna price it at 5K, let's say. Pero if dumating yung point na hindi siya nagpa-fly and you want to put it up na parang isi-sale mo siya na buy one, take one, 5K, ano naman yung tingin mong impression na mapupunta naman sa mga clients na kaya mo naman palang ibenta ng 2.5 isa eh. Bakit for so long nagpa-5K ka? Because I know someone na brand din na gano'n siya. I-release niya at first at 800 and then after a week, sasabihin niyang buy one, take one.
Well, that's a marketing strategy. But you don't want to be that brand. Kasi that brand is just after sales. Pag ganun, buy one, take one, ganun.
Correct.
You just want to get rid of it. Kung ako sa'yo, kung kaya mo naman pala i-buy one, take one, pamigay mo na lang yung iba. Yung kalahati ng mga stick with the 5,000, give away mo na lang yung 5, nagmukha ka pang, nagmukha ka pang charity.
Okay.
Diba? Share your story and win. Free.
Kasi dyan ako naku-confuse eh. Like, I'm gonna price it at a certain, diba, parang high price point. Pero syempre, after 3 months, if it's not moving, kasi, again, I'll never know kung magpa-fly yung product. And then I get to market down. Syempre, may impression na, kaya mo naman pala siyang i-presyo ng ganyan eh. So, next time, pag naglabas ka, hihintayin ko na lang na mag-markdown siya. So, yun yung gusto kong maalis.
That's one thing that you have to avoid na doing. There's a lot of ways naman para mapababaan without giving that impression. Instead of doing buy one, take one, sabihin mo na lang, selling for 5,000. Huwag sabihin buy one, take one.
And then you get a free pair.
If you have your mother, the shoes of your mother is on us. Because it's Mother's Day.
Grabe ang marketing mo talaga.
Di ba? Iba nang dating sa tao nun. Nagmukha kang sobrang bait. Instead of, hindi mo sinira yung brand mo, pinaganda mo pa na namimigay ka ng shoes sa mga may mother. Sama mo yung mother mo sa video mo, sabihin mo, since Mother's Day, I also want other people to enjoy and give, so if you buy any of our shoes, basta kasama po yung mother nyo, pag bumili kayo, we will give your mother a free shoe. Para ka nag-buy one, take one.
Correct. Pero same. Iba lang yung image.
You get the same numbers.
And iba yung communication.
Exactly.
Perfect.
So, ibahin mo lang yung arrive. Ibahin mo lang yung dating. One of the strategies that you can work on. But do not degrade your brand. Because I would say, the perfect strategy is to create the demand before the supply.
Okay.
So what do you mean by create the demand before the supply? Is ikwento mo na agad ano tong shoe na paparating. Anticipated na nila. For example, you're already right now selling 1,800 worth of shoes. After nung 1,800 worth of shoes na yan, sabihin mo guys, I'm pushing the quality. Mas gagandahan na namin. May nakuha kami supplier ng napakagandang leather. Bago na to, so mas maganda. And yung comfort nito, mas maganda na kaysa dun sa previous natin. Just put add value na lahat ng, in all aspects yung shoe na pinakamaganda. Pag nirelease mo siya ng from 1.8 naging 3.8 siya, maintindihan ng tao bakit. You do not have to say na guys, medyo magiging mas mahal lang to, magiging mas pricey siya. You don't have to say that. Magugulat na lang din yung tao nun. But you can instill in their mind. Mas pricey siya ng konti, pero mas maganda kasi yung leather na to na we will be using, and then mas comfortable, it will last longer, tapos it will go all throughout, tapos suotin mo na. Guys, ito na yung prototype. I'm already wearing na. I'm having so much fun wearing this. Sobrang comfortable. Hindi ko na feel yung pagod ng paa ko kahit na all day. Something na ganun.
So, it's really communication, no?
Communication. Storytelling, communicate.
Kasi doon talaga ako na-confused for so long. Parang, what's next for Triloeva?
Yeah.
So,
next is you. You have to put... Actually, andyan na yung Triloeva. Yung Triloeva is there already. You just haven't broadcasted it to your audience.
Correct.
So, I think what you have to do is broadcast.
And be out there.
Yeah,
talaga.
be loud. Be so loud. Na may mga kahit may mga controversial pa na mga something dyan na everyone should start their business like this, like that. You will have a fan base and you will have haters. Stick with your fans. Ganun lang yun. You can't please everyone. Especially when you talk in camera and you talk with your audiences, you have to have a certain characteristics and identity. Hindi pwede yung playing safe ka. Pag playing safe ka, no one knows you. Playing safe ka, wala kang ugali. Dapat may ugali ka. Not in a bad way, but in a good, harsh, honest way. Parang ganun dapat.
Andun talaga yung kagustuhan ko, pero parang nag-step back ka nga. Kasi yung mga ganyan, yung mga bashing, parang I don't want to put myself sa ganong situation.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tama naman. Like for me, if tatanungin ako, what do you think about dun sa mga unemployed? Tamad eh. Sasabihin ko. Hindi ko sasabihin na, I think they have their own reasons naman kung bakit di sila
walang opportunity, di ba? Yun ang sinasabi.
Or wala lang opportunity, or kasi hindi sila nakapagtapos ng pag-aaral, we have to be considerate of their feelings. No. Nakailata ka, tamad ka. Ganun talaga. You have to be very harsh and you have to stick out and put out your identity doon. What's your point of view of life? People who, you would be surprised how many people would be actually agreeing sa'yo na tama yung sinasabi nito ni Trina. Tama yung sinasabi nito ni Paring Hype. You'd be surprised. You think you're the only one who's thinking that, but a lot of people are thinking that and they're silent. When they finally see someone that has the same mentality and same point of view in life, they'll buy your product. They'll buy your things. They'll buy you.
Speaking of point in life, yung una pa natin na pag-usapan bago mag-film, sa tingin mo ba na talagang lakas ng loob at kapal ng mukha ay malayo ang mararating?
Siyempre. Why do you think you're here? Diba? O, kwento mo. Sige, kwento mo bakit ka andito.
So, I think yun yung perfect, way to end this.
Oh, go.
So, basically, talagang ang ko sa buhay, ang mantra ko sa buhay is kung kaya ng ibang tao, kaya ko rin.
Yes.
And talagang lakasan lang ng loob. So, I'll never know. Kung ma-reject mo ako, then so be it. Diba?
Because you're not afraid of rejection.
So ako,
diba?
parang, okay, nag-message ako sa IG mo, okay, Deadma. So paano ko siya makokontakt? So you have your management. So nagtanong ako ng maayos, like how to seek advice from you and everything. And nagbunga siya. That's why I'm here.
Yeah.
So
actually, ang sinabi lang sa akin yung manager is, sabi niya, may nag-PM dito sa Viber account natin. Sabi lang, na
hingi ng advice.
Want to get some insights dahil may business daw siya. Ganon. And, ayun, she really wants to meet you daw and get some insight. Sabi ko, ang lakas naman ang loob niya. Tingin niya, di ba, parang ganon. Lakas na loob niya. So, sabi ko talaga, lakas na loob niya. Tapos sabi niya, nagbabaka sakali lang kasi super fan daw siya ng ganon. Nilakasan niya yung loob niya. Tapos nagbaka sakali siya kasi most people would say na hindi naman ako papansinin. And they would give up before they even try. You tried. You know that
kasi
odds are never in your favor, di ba?
Correct.
Na posible, pero try ko lang. Wala namang mawawala di ba?
Correct.
Because you're not afraid of rejection.
Correct.
And then sinabi ko yan, sige, invitahin mo.
Thank
sabi
you.
Niya, totoo ba? Sabi ni Rhea, sabi ko, sige, sabi niya. Tapos sabi niya, magkano parang co-consultation? Parang inaano pa kung may fee ako. Kung may
yes.
Sabi ko, hindi, wala, libre. Grabe. Sabi niya, totoo? Sabi ko, hindi, like, for me kasi, ever since, even before this podcast na Paring Hype Studios, I've already done podcasts. And my very vision of those podcasts is to help people, to put out my identity there, out there, and to help, inspiring people. Kasi, dyan din ako nanggaling eh. I've started branding dati. I've started a lot of businesses dati. And hindi ako pinalad sa mga ibang businesses. Pero dito pala ako papalarin. We'll never know. Diba? Unless we try.
Yun
So-
nga eh. Kaya sabi ko, paano mo siya binavalue? Kasi, syempre yung iba, magtitake na impression na, yun nga, sino ba to? Bakit nagtatanong to? Lakas naman ng loob nito. Pero ako yun talaga yung ini-instill ko sa sarili ko na hindi ako makakatulog hanggat hindi ko tinatanong.
Because I saw myself in you before.
Wow.
When I was trying to get people to talk to, when I'm trying to get advices, when I'm trying to, marami tayong hinahangaan dati. And right now, I'm just rubbing elbows with them.
Wow.
So parang, for me, I'll never forget those times na I was struggling then and I was a little lost on what to do. Pero, ever since, when I'm lost and I don't know what to do, I might not know what to do, but I'll start somewhere. Lagi. Talaga mag-i-start ako. Hindi pwede yung hindi ko alam paano gawin. Hindi ko na uumpisahan. Umpisahan ko. Kahit even starting in the wrongest angle or wrongest point is better than not starting at
Correct.
all. Diba? So,
Thank
yun
you.
lang.
Salamat. So, I think,
Yeah. Any other questions? Wala naman?
yun lang. Natutuwa
Munti
lang
na-
ako kasi nagbunga talaga yung lakas.
Oh, di ba? Lakas na ng loob. Wala namang mawawala eh.
Libre naman eh.
Libre
Oo.
naman eh. Magkano lang, wala namang text sa Viber eh. Di ba?
Correct. So, yun.
Ayun. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ma'am Trina,
Thank
honestly,
you.
good luck on your
Thank
business.
You, thank you.
Shout out mo yung business mo, of course, para sa mga nakakakilala, nakakaalam, at saka yung mga gustong makakita rin ng business mo. Go ahead.
Okay, so you can check out Trilueva via Instagram and we'll also have TikTok. Hopefully, ako na yung maging face of the brand sa
Yes,
TikTok.
definitely dapat.
That's my target. Sana before the year ends. So, you can see us in Power Plant Mall. We recently opened sa Opus Mall and Robinson's Department Store in Manila as well. So, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Ma'am, you'll really never imagine gaano kabilis ang bunga ng marketing. You might start 2 months na walang views, biglang may 1 video ka lang nang mag-boom.
Yeah.
Biglang sunod-sunod.
Thank you.
That's all.
Looking forward.
Martina,
Thank you
so
so
much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.